Thank you for tuning into my channel. Today I'm showing you how to achieve a nude lip. A nude lip is seriously my go-to, whether it's casual or dressy, it's perfect for any occasion. My sister called me the other day and she wanted to know what she could use to achieve a nude lip because she was having a hard time finding a product that worked for her. It either made her lips too dark, or the color just didn't look right, or it was just a mess. So I'm showing you how to do that. I'm showing you my tips and tricks. If you'd like to see how to get it, keep watching. The first thing you want to do is moisturize your lips. I start off any look, any lipstick, any lip pencil, any lip gloss with lip moisturizer first. Dry lips are not cute. That's not cute. I use Aquaphor. That's what I found that works for me. That's what that looks like. You can find it at CVS, Target, HEB. So I start off, put that all over my lips. That's number one. And then for me, I feel like the key is a lip liner in achieving a perfect nude lip. My lips are uneven in tone, and let's be honest, most people's lips are uneven in tone. So what you want to do is even that out first. So the lip pencil that I like to use, it's by Kylie Cosmetics. It's called True Brown K, and I've like seriously worn this out. So I like to first line the outside. And then I just kind of fill in all over. Okay, so see right there, you can tell that even looks better right there. So now I'm gonna go into my second favorite. Is from Kylie Cosmetics, and this one is called Exposed. It's a lip gloss. And I take that, put that right on top. So this right here is my go-to nude lip. My second favorite lip pencil is Chestnut by MAC, and I could not find it today. So I am opting for my third favorite, which is Cork. You're gonna like Chestnut if you're my complexion or darker. If you're my complexion or lighter, you're probably gonna like Cork, all right? So Chestnut is my go-to if you're my skin color or darker. If you're lighter than me, Cork is gonna work for you perfect. So I take that and I put it all over my lips. I line it the outside first. So now I've lined my lips with Cork. And I'm gonna take Dose of Colors, More Creamer Please. This is their lipstick. See, that already looks cute. And then I'm gonna take their lip gloss, More Creamer Please. And I'm gonna put that right on top. Look at that. That's a cute nude lip. This is a perfect nude lip. Come on, you gotta admit, this is a perfect nude lip. Yes, I love it, I love it, I love it. So for my third one, I am using the True Brown K lip liner again. And now I'm gonna take MAC Jupiter lipstick. And I'm gonna take their lip glass. This one's called Bittersweet Me. Ooh, that's cute too. So I have my lip liner True Brown K on from Kylie Cosmetics. And now I'm gonna put a lip gloss right over that. I am using the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. It's the Universal Gloss Bomb, looks like that. And I'm gonna put that right over. And that's that look. Looks good, right? So some of you are probably saying, what if we don't have time to do a liner, lipstick, and a lip gloss? You're in a hurry, you just wanna put one thing on and go. I have an answer for that too. I'm using two products from NYX Cosmetics. The first one I'm using is called Chocolate Crepe, and it looks like that. And I'm gonna put this right over my lip moisturizer. So look at that, that's Chocolate Crepe. No liner. So the next NYX Buttergloss that I'm gonna use is called Oatmeal Raisen. And this is what that looks like. So as you can see, this one has a little more pigment to it than the other ones, but you could still get away with using this as a nude gloss. This lip gloss goes with everything. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned something. Please let me know your thoughts, like, subscribe. I'll see you next time.